Alright, so today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to fix your misfire on a boosted application. This car's supercharged, came in, we tried to do a dyno pull, she was misfiring, so pulled the spark plugs out, and I realized the spark plug gap is right at 40, 41 in here. That's a no-go. Spark's going to travel back and forth. Higher the gap, it's going to travel fast, but not fast enough. It's going to extinguish the flame once the boost gets in there. And then what we're going to do is reduce the gap. Spark's going to travel faster, and therefore you can see the difference in the spark plug gap here. This one is gapped to 24, this one's gapped to 42. So this one's going to misfire, this one's not going to misfire. Alright, so you're going to grab your trusty pliers here, put the spark plug there. You're going to close the gap. Once you get the gap closed, then you're going to go ahead and verify your spark. Now you're right there at 24. Slide that into the cylinder, and now she's not going to misfire anymore. You can see on the dyno graph right here, you can see how the power keeps coming down because it's misfiring. So we're losing cylinders here and how to get out of it. Alright, so we got the spark plugs in. We're going to go ahead now and test it, see how much power she does, and go from there.